Yo guys, Ben here again, and let's do the unboxing of the Big Money Savings SBs. And yeah, pretty lucky this week to win all of the releases, but not gonna lie, I tried the jump on jack. No way. I already conditioned myself, but I wasn't really trying hard so much. On the shoes, it's not my cup of tea, to be honest. I don't like straps, but I was just trying just to, flip it quickly and raise funding to buy my grails. That's how it is, but I'm already I already conditioned myself that never I will win. Although I'm pretty happy because I have the Big Money Savings SB right here. And of course, I'm gonna put this guy here. Receipts and stuff. Normal SBGR Dunk box, the purple one. And let's see if I will have that wow moment in this particular. Nice, really nice. I mean, look at them, guys. So cool, the textures and everything. Wow, no way, man. This is super nice. You see them, all those textures, and this really feels nice on hand. To be honest, the Chicago, not feeling it on hand, it was a little bit flimsy, but this hits completely different. I'm telling you guys. And the other shoe, of course. How was it? Pretty cool, huh? And let's see, you have some stickers which I don't have on the Chicago. You will also get one red laces and another lace. Oh, crazy. The value for money on these sneakers is crazy, man. I mean, two extra laces, and then they are all rope laces. You know, guys, that I'm a fan of rope laces, and I have a replacement, or let's say variation of those that I have. That's why I'm pretty happy that I won this pair. Wow. Let's take a much closer look. This is the side view, and this is the back and toe box. And of course, the outsoles. Crazy. I really like this on hand. Man, I'm so lucky I managed to get this. This is pretty dope. I mean, let's check. So, actually, the inspiration of the shoe is about they said that it's about the leave, love, and love. I don't know, I cannot really remember, but it's more like of inspired by the home deco, and that's why you see those canvas here, which represents the how do you call it, the mattress, or the mat you put on the floor. And also this side panels here, if you look closely, it really reminds me of our old house furniture design. And of course the tongue that is like symbolizes the curtain. Man, the textures, details of this shoe is outrageous. I mean, positively. And you have all these speckles on the outsoles. Wow, this is such a nicely made sneakers. I'm not lying to you guys. I have here the Chicago. This is not even close, to be honest. I mean, the colorway of this is fine and this is very iconic. But if I need to choose, between the two, since I have the reimagined Jordan 1, I would definitely get this. I'm not lying, man. I know that this is cool, but in terms of value for money and being unique, I'm getting the big money savings. I'm not lying here. This shoe really is the definition of really feels nice when touched or on hand. This is the one. In pictures, you cannot really appreciate the details and the textures of these sneakers, but crazy stuff. And see this tongue here really reminded me a lot of IKEA, you know, those mattresses that they have those big kind of etiquettes. How do you call it? And some details also on the insoles. Don't know if you can see it, but hopefully, yeah. The leather. This is so thick leather. The suede is so thick that it's like indestructible. Wow, crazy. I'm loving this release, man. Not really gonna lie, this is super dope released. And I hope you guys managed to catch a win as well for the raffle of this. I just got it last week, but it just arrived today. So I managed to make a content because it's a holiday, of course. It's May 1, the Labor Day. But overall, the rope lace, the rope laces, it's a little bit thin. But I think the more you use it, it would go a little bit fat. That's my experience with my other rope laces. And of course, like I have mentioned, you have the red and this, I don't know what is, tealish kind of color here. Man. And the linings and paddings are super soft, like corduroys, or I don't know. It's really, the texture of this is out of this world. So happy to get this, and yeah, nice. I hope that you manage to get one, as I have mentioned, because this is really worth it. Okay, that's it for now, and probably this weekend I will do more of on feet on the Chicago and this, so that you guys have an idea as well how they look like on feet and also the comfort level. Okay, thanks guys for dropping by, and I will see you next week. Peace.